Hello everyone, welcome back to Teratin, your go-to channel for exploring career opportunities abroad. Well, today we will be diving into a topic that can change the course of your international career: permanent residency versus work visa. Which one should you go for and in which country? So we will break down the pros and cons, covering popular destinations like Canada, Australia, Germany and the USA. What is a work visa? A work visa is typically a temporary authorization that allows you to live and work in a specific country for a set period. So it's employer sponsored, meaning a company often needs to hire you first. Short term or long term depending on the visa type. Generally tied to an employer or specific job. Easier to get compared to PR in most cases. Quick processing times in countries like Germany and the UAE. Cons: limited job mobility. You may need to stick to the employer who sponsored you. Renewals can be a hassle and often does not include benefits like social security or healthcare unless explicitly mentioned. What is permanent residency? So permanent residency or the PR offers you long-term stability in a country. Unlike work visa, PR is not tied to an employer and often grants you benefits similar to those of citizens. Here are the key points. Long-term or indefinite stay, access to social benefits like healthcare, education and retirement plans. Freedom to work for any employer in your field. Well, here are the cons: that longer application process, higher eligibility requirements like your language proficiency and work experience. And this is not ideal for those seeking short-term opportunities. Now, let's compare the PR and work visas in some of the most popular countries. Number one is Canada, that is the work visa. Pros here is that quick pathways like the temporary foreign worker program. Cons: limited duration, usually 1 to 2 years. PR. Pros is that the Express Entry is one of the fastest systems in the world, and the cons here are that the high CRS score requirements can be a barrier. Australia. Pros: that the state nominated visa allow flexibility, and the cons is that the complex point system for eligibility. PR pathways like the skilled independent visa offer freedom, whereas the cons is that the lengthy processing times. Next hand is Germany. So the pros is job seeker visa is a unique option, and the cons here is that the language barriers for some industries. PR pros is that the EU Blue Card holders can transition to PR faster, and the cons are that the language proficiency requirements. Next up is USA. Well, the work visa, the pros here is that the H-1B visa allows for specialization, and the cons is lottery system and employer dependency. PR is the green card. The pros are the family sponsorship and job-based options, whereas the cons are extremely long waiting times for some categories. Number 4 is the factors to consider. So choosing between a work visa and PR depends on your priorities. So ask yourself these questions. Number 1, are you looking for long-term stability or short-term experience? Number 2, do you meet the eligibility criteria for PR? Number 3, are you okay with being tied to one employer temporarily? Number 4, how important are social benefits to you? So here are some tips to help you decide. First, research your target country's labor market needs. Some professions have faster pathways to PR, and if you are unsure about PR, start with a work visa to get a feel for the country. Use tools like Teratin's free consultation to plan your career abroad. If you are looking to work or settle abroad, start with a free eligibility check and a personalized consultation to find your best option. Click the link in the description or the pinned comments below to begin your journey today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Teratin for more content on working and settling abroad. See you in the next video.